In order to place a panel in 80/20 edge, you simply come to the sketch tool and click on panel. Now you see that we've already drawn 4. So we select which 4 we would like to surround our panel, and our panel is automatically inserted. We then check which type of panel we would like to insert. We select what loading type we would like our panel to have, whether we want it to be mounted on the face of the extrusion or sitting in the T-slot. In this case, we'll choose to put it in the T-slot. We then choose what material we would like to use, what color, what thickness, and if we would like to use a panel gasket along with this type of paneling. Now, different types of panels will have different options, so not all are created the same. And we'll tell it if we would like a fastener or if we would like to opt out of the fastener. And if we would like an edge radius, and click OK. Now you can learn more about these different options of the panel in the panel material section. Now before we move on, there's something else I'd like to cover in the panel section and covering the panel options. There are 3 different types of materials that you will have an additional orientation that you'll need to call out, and we'll just cover those real quick here. 2 of those are in the solid panels. One will be the ABS hair cell, and the second will be the twin wall polycarbonate. Now these 2 items have 2 different styles of orientation that need to be called out. The ABS is textured on one side and smooth on the other, so you'll have to describe if you would like the textured side along the black arrow, which is facing down, or along the pink arrow, which is facing up. The other would be twin wall polycarbonate. You'll need to tell which way you would like the walls of the panel to run. If you would like the panels to run along the AB line, then select along AB, and if you'd like them to be running along the AD line, click along AD. The last thing we need to cover is the expanded metal mesh. We'll ask you if you'd like the long way of the diamond to run along the AB line or along the AD line. So make sure you call that out to your preference.